Today, we're going to tap into our divine feminine essence. This means we are going to get out of our own way, move all that energy from our heads and into our bodies. That is what being feminine is all about. It's about feeling safe in our bodies, feeling safe to express any emotion, and to be more relaxed with life, to flow with life. So if you find yourself to be a little bit of a control freak, you cannot step back and let things unfold. You have to micromanage everything. You get impatient about things. Then you might be more in your wounded masculine. And there's nothing wrong with the masculine energy, because in a healthy way, we need it to function, right? So it's all about finding that perfect balance. So let's do a little tapping to shift into this relaxed feminine state. Just follow me and tap where I tap and say what I say. Starting here in the eyebrow point. I'm a control freak. There, I said it. I can't seem to relax. Side of the eye. I micromanage everything. I need to know how everything is going to pan out. Under the eye. And maybe this has worked for me in the past. Being on top of things gets things done. So I kind of like being a control freak. It's an important part of me. But being on top of things 24/7 is kind of tiring. So I want to learn to flow and relax more. I want to connect with my feminine energy. I want to open myself up to the pleasures of life. I'm willing to learn to be more playful and creative. I don't have to control every single thing in my life. Because everything always has a way of working itself out. Especially when I relax. So today I choose to lean back. I choose to trust the flow of my body. I choose to honor my body. And I'm choosing to activate my divine feminine essence. The part of me that's in flow. I choose to release all this needy energy, releasing any need to be codependent on anyone or anything. And I choose to nurture myself, to keep myself balanced. This beautiful feminine energy makes me feel so safe. This energy is both soft and strong. I feel so supported and guided by my divine feminine. The more I relax, the more I receive. The more fun I have, the more I receive. I choose to have so much fun today. I'm open to abundance and surprises to enter my life in magical ways. This is the feminine energy I choose to embody. The energy of joy, pleasure, and fun. All right, take a deep breath in and out. Beautiful. I hope you have an amazing day after this tapping. Let me know how you felt in the comments below, wherever you're watching this, Follow for more or subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.